Hi guys, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So this is the DevOps series. In this video, how we going to do the git pull with automatic fashion? Means whenever any commit happens, right? So whenever any commit, there is only one commit now. So whenever any commit happens to this repository, we should trigger a build. We should trigger a Jenkins job. How we can able to do it? So click on new item. So go for git pull auto. So so you can copy from the previous one since we already have one. So select from that. So means all the configuration which is there in the previous job, which it is will be configured. So give the description git pull from the GitHub whenever any commit happens. So okay, so the next thing which you want to configure is that, so all thing which we configured, the rest is default. So here in the section of build triggers, so there are couple of options where you can able to select. So build after the projects are built, build periodically, GitHub trigger with GitHub webhook integration. So we are not going to focusing on all this. So I'm going to explain the two of the things. Build periodically. Periodically means, so when you select this option, so this works like a cron job. So if you are familiar with Linux and all, so this will be easy. So start. So what does this represent? So means you can able to select this option. So when it's going to show you what does this means, um, so when it has to run. So means what does this all star is representing is, so minute, hour, date of day of the month and day of the week. So means for every minute. So star means for every minute, for every hour. For means it is all totally it's representing is every minute the build process, the Jenkins job is going to trigger. Even if there is any change, even if it is nothing change in the repository, still this process is going to trigger actually. So we are not interested in this. We are interested in poll SEM. So what does this going to do is that whenever it's going to check the desired state of the GitHub repository, if there is any commit has happened, so if there is any changes in the Git repository, then only it's going to trigger this Jenkins job. So you can go for star star 5 star. You should include space in between. So what does this mean is that every minute it's going to check the GitHub repository. So it's going to check the GitHub repository. If there is any changes, then only it's going to trigger it. Click on apply and save. So once after this completed, let's we are not triggering this job manually. What we're going to do, we can edit here itself in any kind of a file actually, or we can able to use the VS Code editor to do that. So here you can able to git commit. So I'm not using this local now. Actually, I'm just for the representing purpose. I'm just using this here. Mm, select this. So you just a small space which I have given. I have committed the changes. So now the changes is being done. So here you can able to see the commit is being increased. So go here and refresh this page. So git pull auto. So go for dashboards, build history, git pull auto. So this go here. So this is triggered automatically. We didn't do any build actually, since it is so fast. It is having a less time to pull the code from the GitHub. So that's the reason it is triggered automatically. Uh, let's go here. So see here. So the build has been happened. The build the let's again go here and do some changes actually here, and let's see whether it's going to be reflecting actually. The commit is completed. So the commit is to 4. So go to this Jenkins page. So the 3 number 3 should trigger now. So the previous build has happened at 517. See, you can able to see the build has been the job has been triggered automatically, since the it's going to check the desired state of the commit every minute. So 518. So it has completed actually. So you can go and in the workspace, in the workspace. So this is the workspace. So this is the git pull auto. So this is the files which we is pulled automatically when there is a commit. So this is all about this video, guys. In the next video, I'm going to do an integration with the Maven, how to build a web app.var file. So for to deploy it in the Tomcat server.